Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your account name in Windows 11 or 10 desktop or laptop. So today I'm going to show you a few methods by which you can change the username or account name of your device. So the first method is just simply go to your start icon and right click on it, then click on run. Now over here just simply search for lusrmgr.msc, then hit OK. Then just simply go to user. Then over there you will find your name and full name. What you have to change is your full name. So right now it is Bhaskar 80. So let's change it and make it, let's say 001. Then all you have to do is just simply hit apply, then hit OK. Then after that just simply right click on your start icon, then sign out from your account, and after you log back in, your username will be changed. Now the next method is again go to your start icon, hit run, and this time search for netplwiz. You can find all the names in the description box below, so don't worry. Now after typing this name just hit OK. Now over here again you will find a user account property name. Now again you will find a user account, so over here just simply double click on it. Or you will again find username, full name and description. Now over here you can again change your name and hit apply, then OK, and then again simply sign out and sign back in, and the name will be changed. As you can see over here, it is already asking for me to sign out, but I cannot do that because I am currently recording the video. But if you sign out, your name will be changed. Now for the next method, what you have to do is just simply go to control panel. So for doing that, just simply go to start menu and search control panel. Open control panel. Now over here just simply go to user account, then change account type, then double click on your name. And over there you will find change the account name. Just click on it, and now just enter any name that you want your account to be. Let's say B. After entering the name, just simply click on change name, and the name will be changed. After that just simply close this window and again right click on your start icon and sign out. Now after that, for the next method, what you have to do is just simply enter a few codes in Windows shell. So for doing that, just simply go to your start menu and type in PowerShell and run this as administrator. Now just simply enter the codes given to the description box below. So firstly just simply type Get-LocalUser, then just simply hit enter. Then it will show you your username. Now for the next set of codes, just simply type in Rename-LocalUser space dash name. Now just simply hit space once, then open your quotation and enter your current name. Then close the quotations. Then again hit space. Now just simply again write dash new name, then space, again open quotations and enter your new name, and then just simply end it by closing the quotations. And after that just simply hit enter, then again sign out and sign in, and your username will be changed. So after hitting enter in PowerShell, just simply close this window, then again just simply sign out and again sign back in, and your username will be changed. Now for the last method, if your Windows is linked with your Microsoft account and your Microsoft name is shown as your default name, just simply go to your browser and go to your Microsoft account and log into your account. Then click on my Microsoft account over here. After that just simply click on your name over here, and over here just simply click on edit name in your full name section. Just simply click on edit name, then you can just simply change your name over here and then hit save. After doing that, just simply close the window, go to start icon, then sign out, and after you have signed back in, your name will be changed. So that's it. That's all the methods for changing your username in Windows 11 or 10 desktop or laptop. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.